on the mat. The set over by
नई टीम जुड़ी है यहाँ पर।
Yashil Hotel and Hyatt Place. Thank you so much for accommodating. Nadine says thank you to the whistle. We will all say thank you to hang on as he steps into the lobby. That's it. First point for Kurukshetra Warriors as
Bonus
Shivam
point,
Bhupender
Yuva Yodas.
Singh goes
Raider out of
into the
bound.
lobby,
1 point,
on the
Kurukshetra
defender.
Warriors.
He's got the bonus though. Rahul Jaglan. Right. He's sending out a message for sure and he's revived Shivam Singh very soon. First straight, no points being taken in. He went into the lobby and Shivam Singh revived because of Ravi Bhatti's very good effort as he's come on in. When there are 6 or more defenders on the mat, you know the bonus line is active. If you see the second white line, that's the line. Diving ankle hold. That's it. That's the first tackle point for Kurukshetra Warriors. Milan Daya from that right corner gets it.
बिल्कुल, और ये राइट कॉर्नर मिलन दैया जैसे ही मौका मिला डाइव लगाई दोनों एंकल पर और यहाँ पर टीम का लेने में सफल हुए। यहाँ पर डिफेंस का मामला है क्योंकि डिफेंस आपको चैंपियन बनाता है, आपको डिफेंस संभालना होगा। और इसी के साथ एक और पॉइंट मिलन का, एक टैकल किया था, ऑलराउंडर की भूमिका निभा रहे हैं और जाके अब रनिंग हैंड टच करके लेके आए राइट कॉर्नर पर, गलती की और लॉबी का यूज करके एक पॉइंट लेन में और सफल। डोडाई रेड पर जाना चाहते हैं, खेलना चाहते हैं और यही समझदारी है कबड्डी के गेम की। जब से डोडाई इस गेम में आई है वही काम करना होगा और यहाँ काम किया खूबसूरत। सुशांत आए थे, शिकार बना लिया गया है और अनुराग ने
to put Sushant Singh down. But I am impressed with Anand Singh as well from that right cover. Now watch out. That's really important. Milan Daya, he targets the right cover. I just said right cover. Watch out, Anand Singh. The ankle hold also is one of that skill where we know when to go down. And now double thigh hold. Rahul coming in from the bench. First straight and Ravi Bhatti. Mohit, you think Yogesh Nagar is watching this match?
भूमिका दिखा रहे हैं मिलन। यही काम करना होगा कुरुक्षेत्र को अगर जीतना है तो। यहाँ एडवांस टैकल करने की कोशिश की, 2 पॉइंट लेने में सफल हुए मिलन। एक टैकल किया, उसके बाद बैक टू बैक 2 पॉइंट और लिए। यही होते हैं एक अच्छे प्लेयर की निशानी। नवीन
Really well executed on that occasion from Milan Daya. Now look at that. First he goes in deep towards that left corner and then that surprise ankle hold trying into coming in. Ravi Bhatti, Mahesh, in a super tackle situation he's brought in Sanket Kalate on that right corner. That's really good. Ravi Bhatti has done well in that right corner. That's why probably Sanket Kalate not taking that first 7. And as I said, double thigh hold, 2 points for Yuva Yodas. Fabulous substitution.
तारीफ की और काम करके दिखा दिया नवीन। ये संकेत जिसकी तारीफ की थी, डबल थाई होल्ड के जैसे ही रनिंग मूवमेंट में आए थे राहुल और सोलो।
You hold on to the defense. I think you know what, Mohit. If you look at the first 12 minutes of the match, there is a lot of pressure on Milan Daya. 2 more points. Wonderful jump, and then the escape was even brilliant. Yes, there is a lot of pressure on Milan Daya, a lot of responsibilities, but he is delivering it.
बिल्कुल 4 का डिफेंस था, जैसे ही पैरों में गए थे जंप किया, उसके बाद एक और डिफेंडर को टच किया, 2 पॉइंट लेने में सफल हुए मिलन। और आज मिलन
Of Yuva Yodas now need to come to the party, as you know, that is what will make sure the negativity can be deleted. It shouldn't be the defense now, Mohit. Yeah, this is good. This is very good. Shivam Singh runs in a running toe touch. That's how Yuva Yodas will come back into this match.
Number 6 out.
बिल्कुल बनाया है क्योंकि युवा योद्धाओं को पता है कि ये ऑल आउट देना होगा और यहाँ पर कोशिश कर रहे हैं सुपर टैकल।
Probably have it in. No, I don't think so. Shivam Singh's hands have been trying to get across to the midline. His legs had. I should be saying Raider is out. Yes, he is. 2 points for Kurukshetra Warriors. This definitely is India 1. The star moment. In fact, it's a super tackle as well. He's my trip super tackle. But it's definitely India won a star moment of the match.
बिल्कुल गलती हुई थी
Right.
यहाँ पर राइट कॉर्नर से, लेकिन यहाँ पर दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन काम आया डिफेंडर का और
Raid. Even if Rohit Nandal is out in this raid, it's not a problem at all. He will attempt the bonus first. I'm very sure that he will attempt the bonus because it's a 4-point raid and he just wants to keep the bonus into the kitty. Now, that is what he will do. It will be a surrender raid. He will attempt the bonus. Jayesh Mahajan trying to go for the ankle hold. Rohit Nandal. He does not attempt the bonus. Come on. Rohit Nandal should have attempted the bonus. It was any which ways that he will not get a touch point. He should have at least.
एंकल होल्ड ने वो एंकल होल्ड था, बिल्कुल एडवांस बक लाइन से भी बाहर एंकल होल्ड किया था, उसके बाद टीम का साथ मिला। ये कॉम्बिनेशन में आ रही है। आज पहला मैच है नवीन, धीरे धीरे युवा योद्धा, क्योंकि युवा आए हैं, पहला मैच क्षेत्र के डिफेंस ने।
No, if they are decided on the super tackle, that's a nice double tackle. Sushant Singh is struggling. The struggle is on. If he gets up, then it's going to be tough. And they're trying to revive it in. I think it's going to be a super tackle. Wow, that's really nice. Brilliant control there from Rohit Nandal. He stood up, pulled it back. And once again, Rohit, this is the 9th super tackle already in the Yuva Kabaddi Series editions for the Kurukshetra Warriors team.
बिल्कुल, और ये वो दूसरा सुपर टैकल है कुरुक्षेत्र का, और ऑल आउट बचाए हुए ये वो सुपर टैकल था जो हम देख रहे हैं। नवीन वापसी आने का निर्णय लिया, कॉन्फिडेंस सामने आए, उसके बाद कॉम्बिनेशन देखने को मिला, लेकिन यहाँ दोबारा से सिचुएशन, सुपर टैकल की कोशिश की थी लेकिन अब ऑल आउट कर दिया है अनिल, और ये ऑल आउट सुपड़ा साफ एक ही राइड में 4 पॉइंट प्लस 2
into that left corner makes all the more sense right now for the Kurukshetra Warriors because they need to start on the winning note, as there was an empty raid as Shivam Singh has come in. And Mohit, we all know, Lord, look at this, this is a problem. The defense of the Kurukshetra Warriors is now trying to show that there is a big gap and there's a big hole in the wall.
Number 11 out.
बिल्कुल बादल से गलती हुई है यहाँ कुरुक्षेत्र के डिफेंस में। जैसे ही सुम आए थे, अपनी हाइट का फायदा उठाया, दोनों थाइज होल्ड करने की कोशिश की थी लेकिन जंप किया, एक पॉइंट लेने में सफल।
Tackle success rate, because that was the problem for the UA Yoddhas. And now a do or die raid. Come on, this is going to be interesting as Satvik Narwal has come in for just trying to not get grinded in the grinder. That's a pressure situation. He's just playing outside the block line. And the diving angle, Ravi Bhati comes in. Simple work from him. Watch out. This is Yogesh Nagar's prodigy, making him really proud.
है कुरुक्षेत्र की टीम, सुपर टैकल ऑन है, शिवम गए हैं, इनफॉर्म रेडर गए हैं, ये देखना होगा कि क्या संयम बनाएंगे यहाँ कुरुक्षेत्र का डिफेंस, या पॉइंट यूज कर देगा। सुपर टैकल हो सकता है नवीन, ये कोशिश की थी, एंकल होल्ड किया था, कोशिश कर रहे हैं अब तक।
One of the defenders needs to get up. That is very good. That is really good work. There is Sahil Ahri. There is Sahil Ahri sitting on the bench. He's clapping hands. He's my trip super tackle. Mohit, as I said, one of the defenders needs to get up for a proper grip on the radar. That really happened very nicely. Look at that. On that right corner, the defender, Anurag Omveer, and he did it.
बिल्कुल, और ये तीसरा सुपर टैकल करके दिखाया यहाँ पर।
Now, Mohit, what should he do? I'll tell you what. He should just be on the mat. I'm sure the Kurukshetra Warriors here want Milan on the mat. They will go for the super tackle. What a kick! Fabulous kick on the shoulders of Jayesh Mahajan. Wow, that is definitely a match-turning raid for me. This is definitely India 1. Hero moment of the match. Fabulous work.
बिल्कुल मौका नहीं दिया, और जैसे ही देखा कि राइट कॉर्नर पे रहेंगे, सुपर टैकल ऑन,
और आया कौन अंदर? Sonu Rathi, and the all-out has been inflicted.
1 point. Kurukshetra Warriors. Jersey number
Sonu
50.
Rati,
Out.
one of the very, very good left corner defender. But I'll tell you what, Mohit,
Wait,
it is
wait,
not easy. I want you to talk about this. It is very
Substitution.
tough for a
Yuva
defender to
Yotas.
come in
Jersey
from
number
the bench
2
and
out.
stop a Raider who's
Don't
already
eat.
got fabulous momentum. Going Ilan, yeah, Raider of Yuva All-Stars Championship, Milan Dhaya to achieve a Super 10. Wow. And Mohit, how tough it is. As Yuva Yotas will be considering the all-out, you need to really tell us how tough it is for a defender to come out from the bench and perform. क्योंकि हमने अक्सर देखा है कि defenders get out when they bench, and that's the all-out. That's all. That's all. Kurukshetra Warriors are holding their flag ahead. But Mohit, how tough it is for a defender.
Yuva Yotas.
बिल्कुल एक और ऑल आउट यहाँ पर 4 मिनट है, 4 पॉइंट की लीड है, लेकिन अब नवीन 2.5 मिनट है और 4 पॉइंट की लीड है। काम करना होगा शिवम गाइटे, लेकिन यहाँ पर डिफेंस ने संयम दिखाया। शिवम से यहाँ पर आई है, अगर मिलन थोड़ा सा भी अपने माइंड का यूज करेंगे तो यहाँ पर ये पूरी 30 सेकंड की रेड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन गलती की अनिल ने। सरप्राइज टैकल करने की कोशिश की, गलती कर बैठे, 1 पॉइंट दे दिया।
Jersey number 14 out.
यहाँ पर युवा
That was
करना तो चाहते थे टैकल, लेकिन गलतियां कर गए। एक क्षण ऐसा आया था इस मैच में कि जब मेरे को लगा था कि युवा वो जीत जाएंगे, लेकिन अपने आप को नियंत्रण ना कर पाना एक सबसे बड़ी कमी दिखी यहाँ पर युवा योद्धास की टीम में।
Bonus plus 1 point.
अब 2
Yuva
पॉइंट
Yotas.
जरूर मिले हैं,
very
Number
true, very
13
true.
3
out.
पॉइंट का अंतर जरूर है, लेकिन ये लास्ट रेड होगी। अब
match of the Yuva All-Star Championship 2025
Match over.
with a very, very good margin as well. Yuva Yotas, yes, they will get 1 point from this match, but they will not be happy. And Sahil Ahri not even taking to the court. And watch out, Kurukshetra Warriors have got Pawan, the very good thinking coach.
नवीन